Hi, I'm Frank Wright from publicspace.net. Today I'm going to show you how to use the command window in Vitamin R. Vitamin R is designed as a productivity sidekick, so it's really important to be able to use it as efficiently as possible. It is perfectly possible to use Vitamin R entirely with the mouse, but as every seasoned Mac user knows, using a keyboard is just much more efficient. Vitamin R of course defines keyboard shortcuts for pretty much every action that you have to take frequently, but it also goes a step further by giving you the command window. By default, holding the Control key and typing the R key will bring up the command window. This works from within Vitamin R, but it is also a global keyboard shortcut, so it works from any application on your Mac. So you can just type Ctrl R to bring up Vitamin R from anywhere. The command window shows the most frequently used actions at the top, and you can use the cursor keys to select the one you want. Hitting the return key executes the action. Note that you can see the keyboard shortcuts for the start time slice and the start time break actions. This is a great way of learning the shortcuts, so you don't even have to go through the command window at all after a while. As you can pretty much do anything in the command window that you can do with the mouse, all those actions and settings are organized into folders. You can navigate into and out of those folders with the right and left arrow keys, but that's not all. If you just start typing, the command window will filter all actions available in the current context and quickly get you to where you want to be. Using the keyboard is the key to becoming so efficient with Vitamin R that it almost disappears.